So a lot of people have been confused on how to use Totems of Undying, the shop update. So obviously there's no offhand in 1.8, but the server's on 1.12. So in order to put an item into your offhand, you just simply run /offhand. And I already have one in my offhand. Yeah. So as you can see, whenever I run this command, it looks like the item disappears, but it actually goes into your offhand. And so if you run /offhand again, it takes the item out of your offhand. And I'm going to demonstrate, so the item's in my offhand now. I'm going to demonstrate that totems work by towering up, and I'm going to try and kill myself. You can see I'm around 30 blocks high. This is good enough. So now when I jump, totem that was in my offhand works and it starts to heal me. And just to prove it one more time, I'm going to put this item in my offhand again. And as you can see, now when I jump, it is the same thing. And the offhand works for items too. So the sword is now in my offhand, and if I want to take it out of my offhand, I just run the command again, and now it's in my primary hand.